Whenever space exploration is discussed, Mars is the first name that comes to mind. It's our cosmic next-door neighbor. But what if I told you that there's another celestial body that might be a better, more resource-rich option for future human civilization? Just imagine what I'm talking about. The one and only jewel of our solar system, Saturn's largest moon, Titan. So, in today's video, we'll compare Mars and Titan. We'll examine their advantages and disadvantages. And finally, we'll try to decide which one humanity should look to for its long-term survival. So, if you're also interested in space exploration and future human colonies, this video is for you. But before embarking on this epic comparison, it's crucial to understand that plans to send humans to Mars and colonize it are no longer just science fiction. They're actively being pursued. So, what's the current plan? Two major players are leading the race: NASA and SpaceX. NASA's approach is Moon to Mars. NASA's plan is a step-by-step approach. They are first establishing a sustainable human presence, or Artemis Base Camp, on the Moon through the Artemis mission. Our Moon will serve as a training ground. There, we will learn the technology and equipment needed for long-duration space travel and living in extreme environments. The experience gained on the Moon will reduce the risk of a Mars mission. Let's now talk about SpaceX. On the other side is Elon Musk and his company, SpaceX, whose plan is more direct and ambitious. Their Starship rocket, the most powerful rocket ever built, is being specifically designed for Mars colonization. Their goal isn't just to send a few astronauts, but to establish an entire, self-sustaining city. Both plans rely on a common concept: optimal resource utilization. This means using resources on Mars to survive, such as producing oxygen. The MOXIE instrument on NASA's Perseverance rover has proven this is possible by successfully producing oxygen from Mars's carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere, water, and fuel. Mining ice in Mars's polar regions and underground to produce water, oxygen for breathing, and methane rocket fuel for Starship. Shelter. After initial habitats, 3D printing structures from Martian soil or living in natural lava tubes to escape radiation. So, as you can see, the entire blueprint for establishing civilization on Mars is ready, and its progress has sparked a new debate. Are we headed in the right direction? Or should we also consider unique options like Titan? Let's now look at the pros and cons of Mars in detail. Mars, the grand plan for a red civilization. Okay, so first, let's talk about the reigning champion of the last frontier, Mars. For decades, Mars has been the prime target for human colonization. There are several solid reasons behind this: proximity and accessibility. Mars is comparatively much closer to Earth. When Earth and Mars align in their orbits, travel time could be limited to 6 to 9 months. We've already sent several rover and landers to Mars, such as Fergus Row and Curiosity Row, which have provided us with a wealth of information about the planet. These missions have confirmed the existence of water ice on Mars, the electrolysis of which could produce oxygen for breathing and hydrogen for rocket fuel. This would be a game changer. A familiar day-night cycle. One Martian day, called a sol, is approximately equal to one Earth day. This would be a major advantage for the human body, as our circadian rhythms, or body clocks, wouldn't be as disrupted. Furthermore, Mars has seasons like Earth. After all, its axis tilt is similar to Earth's. It is very different from Earth's and more extreme. Presence of a thin atmosphere. Mars' atmosphere is very thin. only 1% of Earth's atmosphere. It is composed mainly of carbon dioxide. Now, you might say that's not a good thing. Yes, we can't breathe in it, and it doesn't completely protect us from harmful solar radiation, but it does provide some protection and helps slow down meteoroids. For future colonies, we are also exploring the possibility of transforming this atmosphere to make it more suitable for humans. Evidence of past water and potential for life. Many geological features have been found on Mars that indicate that liquid water existed here billions of years ago, such as dried-up riverbeds, lake beds, and deltas. Jezero Crater, where Parents Roa is located, is an old lake bed. Scientists also believe that early Mars conditions could have supported simple microbial life. If we find fossils or even live-in life there, it would be a major discovery for biology and the understanding of life in our universe. Long-term survival of humanity. Visionaries like Elon Musk believe it is essential for humans to become a multiplanetary species so that if a catastrophic event like an asteroid strike or climate change were to occur on Earth, humanity would be able. If you're new to our channel, do subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon for latest updates about secrets hidden from the world.